Cardano and scam are two words that investors and enthusiasts do not want to hear in the same sentence, but they happen all the time. Cardano ADA had a memorable year with the launch of smart contracts. There was even good news from the Federal Reserve, which was regarding the coin's approval. Of late, however, ADA is weathering a storm. The bear run of the crypto market has affected the coin's performance. There has also been negative forecasts regarding ADA that has dimmed its shine somewhat. And now we have scams related to the coin. Is there a big Cardano ADA scam going on? That's the big question now, and here's what you need to know. Today we're going to be talking about the major scam involving Cardano ADA and if the scam has been exposed. We are also going to tell you all you need to know regarding the major scam associated with ADA. But before we start, if you like this type of content, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any updates from the world of investing. The crypto market as a whole has been going down. Cardano ADA has recently been on a downward trend for the past few weeks, currently hovering just above the $1 mark. This has caused the altcoin to slip to the 7th largest coin in terms of market capitalization at the time of this recording. Recently, the US Treasury recently announced proposed changes to cryptocurrency reporting as part of President Joe Biden's proposed American Families Plan. The plan would implement a new rule for businesses and crypto exchanges, requiring them to report any crypto transactions with a fair market value of $10,000 or more to the IRS. Cardano ADA could benefit immensely from this backing, making it an interesting investment option. The Federal Reserve too seems to have backed the coin with its proposed arrival by 2022. But cybersecurity firm Tenable has warned users to be alert to giveaway scams on social media. You can even find them in the comments below, even though we report them to YouTube on a daily basis. So what is a giveaway scam? And what's some of the biggest ones that have ever happened? Cryptocurrency giveaway scams will often use high-profile individuals from the community to trick victims into sending cryptocurrency to specific addresses with the promise of higher returns. Using footage of the likes of Charles Hoskinson, founder of Cardano ADA, these often live videos will direct users towards sites, claiming they can double their cryptocurrency. Scammers have noted that crypto influencers and enthusiasts increasingly trust influential voices. Banking on this fact, scammers create fake videos featuring the founders and co-founders of cryptocurrencies, such as Charles Hoskinson. There are even fake videos of CEOs of companies who have promoted the use of and/or discussed the purchasing of cryptocurrencies for their company balance sheets for scamming victims. Here's what you need to know. The cybersecurity Tenable said in an official release. While scammers hijacking legitimate YouTube accounts to promote fake cryptocurrency giveaways are not new, individuals are still being duped, making these scams extremely lucrative. Tenable has calculated that across a subset of YouTube live scams encountered over the month of November alone, scammers have stolen at least $8.9 million. The cybersecurity firm also noted that giveaway scams featuring Cardano ADA are quite common on social media platforms like YouTube Live. Tenable also added that combined with the plethora of existing interview footage featuring many of these notable figures, scammers have developed a formula that adds legitimacy to their efforts. Additionally, current events featuring high-profile individuals offer the perfect fodder for scammers, as they can count on significant interest from audiences looking to watch livestream footage on YouTube. The fake giveaway scam has certainly caught the attention of Charles Hoskinson. Speaking on his livestream, Hoskinson clearly said that Cardano will never give away any ADA, despite receiving regular emails from victims of the scam. The victims ask whether they can receive their cryptocurrency back. Hoskinson also called out YouTube for failing to take necessary action against these cryptocurrency giveaway scam videos. This preys upon people's greed, their stupidity, and in many cases, their inability to speak English. Now for today's sponsor, the Masters of Horror NFT collection. They are officially licensed NFTs. Movie icon Pinhead is the first character released once purchased, and it can be redeemed for a physical collectible, with more NFTs to come. Upcoming projects for holders include Masters of Horror app and video game. Each NFT uses variations in the art to create completely unique versions, unknown until purchased. This NFT is priced at 0.0666 Ethereum. Set up your Boss wallet and you'll be able to mint a free HELLRAISER NFT. There's only 200 left, link in the description. And now back to the video. Given the decentralized nature of blockchain technology, companies behind the cryptocurrencies cannot help those affected by scams by paying them back. The fact is that these individuals have lost up to $20,000 in ADA to these scams. The figure was given by Hoskinson himself. He also added that he'd received death threats and images of his house by those defrauded out of ADA. Charles Hoskinson said, "Who is at fault? YouTube, the social media people. They allow and permit this to happen. There is nothing that we can do as a company or as a project," he said. "We can report these, but they're created by automation. By the time they're shut down, 10 more get formed." Hoskinson also made an interesting observation that the YouTube algorithm can detect and shut down other forms of content not allowed on the platform. He questioned whether it would do the same for these giveaway videos. Hoskinson has also gone on and pulled up the cryptocurrency industry for failing to tackle the issue, citing the lack of demand from others to take further action. Does the lack of action from the crypto industry mean that the scam has been exposed? Well, the Bitcoin scams monitored received $8.2 million in stolen funds, for an average amount of $1.6 million per scam. Ethereum scams received $413,000 in stolen funds, receiving on average $82,778 per scam. Cardano scams have cost nearly $20,000 in November alone. The question now is, what can you do to prevent yourself from falling prey to these Cardano scams? Satnam Narang has advised that it's really important for users to be skeptical of YouTube live videos promising giveaways from notable figures, such as the ones above and the new individuals that may emerge in the future. Never send cryptocurrency to participate in a giveaway, as it's unlikely to be genuine, and the user won't be able to recover their digital money once it's been sent. It's also important for viewers to help play their part and report these YouTube live videos, as there's a chance it might save someone from falling victim. Users can report such videos on YouTube by clicking on the flag icon beneath the video and selecting the spam or misleading category, and then selecting scams or fraud in the drop-down menu. Does this mean that the scam is exposed? Or is Cardano ADA just a big scam? Here's what you gotta know. US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen believes that there is not yet an adequate framework for tackling cryptocurrency regulation and scams in the United States. However, it is a topic worth addressing. The Treasury also reported that, despite constituting a relatively small portion of business income today, cryptocurrency transactions are likely to rise in importance over the next decade. This will sound like music to the ears of crypto enthusiasts and investors. Here you've got a repeated institution, like the US Treasury, predicting a positive future for Cardano and cryptocurrencies. This could have a positive future for cryptocurrencies. It is important to note that the IRS first issued guidance around crypto reporting all the way back in 2014. Its guidance doesn't cover all topics related to crypto reporting, especially for activity that goes beyond simply buying and selling digital currencies. But there is reason to believe regulatory powers have a growing interest in crypto for individual investors and businesses. According to a 2019 report on crypto regulation from Brookings Economic Studies, better regulation will benefit crypto investors, further the development of new technologies, curtail the use of crypto assets used for illicit payments, and reduce the risk of cyber attacks, which can result in collateral damage elsewhere in our financial system. Some experts are even saying that the latest move regarding regulation from the Treasury is unlikely to be the last. Andrew Gordon, CPA, a tax attorney and president of Gordon Law Group, had this to say: "I expect more enforcement action, despite what happens with this specific proposal. I think we're just going to continue to see more enforcement, but hopefully along the way, some more clarity as well." ADA is not a scam, but a legitimate crypto coin. Across a number of fake YouTube live videos identified by cybersecurity firm Tenable, scammers are using footage of notable figures including Charles Hoskinson, the Cardano founder, and Ethereum co-founder. A common factor among all these fake YouTube live streams is that users are directed to external websites that claim to double as a user's cryptocurrency, whether it be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Cardano. This technique remains a gold standard for cryptocurrency scams. Hoskinson has clearly stated that no ADA coins will be paid back to those who fall victim to these scams. And there you have it, folks. Hope you enjoyed watching our latest video. While you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there.